Are you moving into a new home and seeking Feng Shui tips to arrange your space for optimal flow? In this video, I'll be sharing 6 Feng Shui tips for your new home that will help you take the guesswork out of arranging your furniture, your artwork, and belongings with meaning and purpose. And of course, create a home that you absolutely love. If you've not done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post new Feng Shui videos every Tuesday. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen and I help professional women who are interested in Feng Shui to help them optimize the energy in their home environment in order to manifest their life goals and balance their own personal energy. By incorporating the framework of Feng Shui and holistic principles, they create an intentional home and achieve inner harmony by feeling aligned and balanced within themselves and empowered and in the flow with their career, their relationships, prosperity, and well-being. Before I begin, I wanted to share that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one discovery calls with me to help you diagnose what's happening with the energy blocks in your home. So stay tuned till the end as I'll share the details then. Okay, so let's get into it. You know, moving into a new home is such an amazing opportunity to start a new chapter of your life. So taking the opportunity to align your intentions as you unpack is key. And the framework of Feng Shui simplifies the process of where to place your belongings with meaning and purpose. So I'm super excited to share the essentials with you to help you set up your home from the beginning with great success and create your new home to be a peaceful sanctuary. Tip number 1, set your intentions. Okay, so first things first, as you move in, think about your intention for your home. What do you want to feel? What do you want to experience during this chapter of your life while you are living in this home? How do you want this space to support you and your family? For instance, are you a professional and you're moving into your dream home? Or perhaps you and your partner are empty nesters and now you're downsizing from a big house. Or maybe you're retired and you're moving to a new city, or you have a family and you want to ensure that your new home is totally functional and practical. The best way for the Feng Shui of your home to support you is to first think about what is the feeling and expression you want to experience in your home. Get really clear on how you want to function in the house and how you'd like the house to support you. Make a list of a few key intentions. And this process may look like, think about what you and each of your family member may need right now. And look at your life and identify your life goals and what you plan to achieve while you're living in this house. You know, it could be starting a business or focusing on self-discovery and personal development, or travel or health, or bringing more love and attention to your current relationships. And maybe it's entertaining family and friends. You know, these are just a few examples. Consider the areas around your house and how you plan to use them for your life. So your home office or meditation area or bedrooms, kitchen. You know, write down what's most essential to you right now. And take your time to get clear on your intentions. So this may take you a few days or weeks to put this together. And I know as you're moving in, you're really focused on getting settled and unpacking and creating space for all of your furniture and belongings. But truly, taking a few moments over the next few days and getting clear on your intentions will make a huge difference in you feeling really connected to your new environment. And essentially, you are beginning a new relationship with your home. So treat this space with respect and care, and you'll receive that back in the form of safety, protection, and a special feeling as you spend time in your home. Once you get your intentions outlined, write it on a beautiful piece of paper with your favorite pen and place it in a red envelope in the far left corner of your home, which is the prosperity corner and the place where we anchor what's most valuable to you. The second part of the intentions process is about gratitude. As you finalize your intentions, be sure and thank your new beautiful home for the sturdy, safe walls that will protect you and your family and provide the space for many happy memories and celebrations to come. Tip number 2 is to conduct a space clearing. So from a Feng Shui perspective, we are always aware of both the physical energy of an environment as well as the unseen energy in the space. So when we conduct a space clearing, we are literally clearing out the old unseen energy that may be hanging around. And this unseen energy represents what you can't see, like the emotions and experiences and happenings of the space. And we call this predecessor energy, which is essentially the previous owner's energy. So think about it like this. As you move in, you want to have clean floors and walls and countertops, right? Well, what about all the stuff that happened previously in your home that has nothing to do with you? So I'm talking about the history of the space and what the previous owners experienced while they were living there. Not only does a space clearing remove the old predecessor energy, but it also leaves a wonderful, fresh space for you to set your new intentions. Wouldn't you like to start this brand new chapter of your life with new intentions on a clean slate rather than on top of whatever happened previously in the home? As you conduct your space clearing, take time to clear out the corners and really release the old to leave room for the new. Tip number 3 is to add plants. A wonderful way to begin to feel grounded in your new home is to bring in healthy plants. Whether you are moving in plants that you previously owned or perhaps you're purchasing a few new ones, plants symbolize rooted and grounded energy for growth. So adding plants to your home will help you feel more rooted and grounded within yourself and within your new space. They will also help clear the air. You may want to consider buying one new special plant to symbolize this new chapter in your life, or even planting a tree in your yard. Especially if you plan to live in the house for a long time, planting a tree when you move in can have a lot of meaning as time goes on. You'll watch the tree grow and expand as your life does in your wonderful new home. From a Feng Shui standpoint, plants represent the wood element, which is all about growth, longevity, vitality, and health. If you don't have a green thumb or plants aren't your thing, consider placing a piece of artwork with trees. Faux plants can also work, but just be sure to keep them clean and dust-free. I hope these tips are helpful so far. If this video is resonating with you and inspiring you, be sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions regarding your new home, be sure to leave me a comment below and I can get back to you. So tip number 4 is to use the Bagua to simplify interior design decisions. So the Bagua is the Feng Shui map that outlines the 9 key areas of life. And not only does applying the Bagua to the layout of your home help you to manifest your life goals, it can also help you simplify your design decisions. So whether you love to decorate or you are working with an interior designer, using the Bagua is your secret ingredient to ensuring ideal flow, color selection, and where to place your artwork. By using the Bagua as the guide for placement, you can ensure that your space will feel peaceful and at ease. So the Bagua outlines the 9 key areas of life and the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. When you're making decisions as to how to decorate your home, make your life simple and refer to the Bagua to help you decide. So for instance, place your most valuable piece of artwork in your prosperity corner. And artwork of you and your partner may go in the love and relationship area. An artwork that depicts water may go in your career area near the front door. And all of your favorite family photos and heirlooms can be located in the family area. And of course, place your travel photos and memories and helpful people in travel. These are just a few suggestions. But by using the Bagua will really help simplify the process and help you create a beautiful, intentional home. And the 5 elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, their placement within the Bagua will provide guidelines for color selections and where to place items made of these actual elements. So for instance, water is aligned with the front of the house. Wood is aligned on the left. Fire element is in the back, metal is on the right, and of course we honor the earth element in the center to honor our health. Tip number 5, start in your bedroom. Okay, so I totally know that as you move in, you're super busy with all the details around the house, and perhaps the last room in the house you're actually thinking about is your master bedroom. However, I'd like to suggest that you actually start here. Get your master bedroom set up first, as this will help you feel grounded and centered in all the other areas of your life. Your bedroom is essential for you feeling your best. Therefore, it's important that this space is arranged and aligned with your intentions. And from a Feng Shui perspective, the bedroom is truly considered one, if not the most important room in the house. So with moving in and you've got all this chaos going on, ensure that your bedroom is set up so that you'll sleep better and you'll feel more comfortable and energetic to complete all the tasks of your house so that you can actually get settled in and feel your best. Here's a few key bedroom tips to keep in mind as you're getting set up. face your bed towards the door, include artwork that is peaceful, reserve the bedroom for photos and items that honor you and your partner, and save the family photos for the living areas, and try not to use your bedroom for an office, and incorporate warm, soothing colors. And then tip number 6 as you're moving into your new home is to face the door. So whether you are arranging your desk, your bed, or a seating arrangement in your living room, do your best to arrange your furniture to face the door. The door represents the mouth of the chi, which is the mouth of opportunity. So you want to face life's opportunities head on. And by facing the door, you'll be in the power position, which creates a feeling of ease and peace and relaxation. So on that note, I sincerely hope this video was helpful. So if you're ready to get started with Feng Shui, I would love to help you. I'm super excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute discovery sessions with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home, and we'll see if the Harmony Blueprint would work for you. Click the link in the description to schedule a call, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. Would you like to learn more about Feng Shui? Be sure to access my free training video, 4 steps to transform your home into an inspired space with Feng Shui and make more time for you. Click the link in the description to check it out. And then lastly, if you found this video valuable, be sure to give it a like. It really helps the channel to grow and share this information with a lot more people. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. If you have any questions about this video or Feng Shui for your home, leave me a comment below. I truly love to hear from you. So for now, I'll leave you with these other videos for you to create inner harmony and an optimized home with Feng Shui. And I'll see you in the next video.